Swerving on it. Swerving on it. Swerving on it. Swerving on it. Oh shit.
What you doing?
My hair.
Oh, you going out tonight?
Not that I know of. I just was doing my hair because my shit was ugly.
I'm just calling. I ain't got nothing to do. I picked up a shift for the night.
Well, you going to work tonight?
Mm-hmm.
So my hair is done. I'm not gonna really get into it because bitch, that's all we talk about. But anyway, right now I'm trying to yeah, right now my mind just got thrown the fuck off. Anyway, right now I'm finna get ready to order some household items for myself. I need some fucking soap. I need trash bag. Bitch, I need the whole package deal. That be so good. I don't like. So fun fact, I don't like I'm really not a sauce type of person. I'm not a dipper. Like I can really eat chicken nuggets dry. Like McDonald's chicken nuggets, I just pop them bitches like Smarties. It really amazes me that it's almost as if I can't function without my boyfriend. I don't know. It's like the oddest fucking thing. It's like I get hungry, but when he not around, I be like, where do I eat? Like what I'm supposed to do? Or like when I order food, like for myself, I feel so guilty. Like I ain't get him nothing.